Good morning, this is Nick over at J-Matt. Hey, this is that Gray Wolf, that 2008 28 BH Gray Wolf that we talked about on the phone yesterday. I'm gonna take you on a quick walk around. Got two propane bottles, two 20-pound propane bottles. As you come around over here, you've got a little extra storage here on your slide out. Nice big slide. Over here you've got your fresh water connection, your city water connection. It's a 30 amp coach. You got your sewer, your gray and your black tank where you empty that right there. Got your spare on the back. Got some more storage underneath one of the bunks. Nice big awning. It is a manual awning. Got more storage here in your pass-through area. And come on inside. This particular camper's got a lot of room. You can sleep a lot of people in here if you need to. Got your 3-burner stove. Got your microwave oven. Got some nice storage here. Also here. Got double sink. Got your refrigerator with separate freezer. Got your bunk area here. Got your single bunk up top. More like a twin size bunk here on the bottom. And in the bathroom, you got the tub, your toilet's in there. Your sink is right here on the outside. And you got more storage underneath that. Got your booth dining area. Of course, that can make into a bed really easily. You've got this couch that also makes into another bed. So between all of those, you've got room for maybe up to 10 people in this particular coach. Got a queen bed, got more storage. Oops. You got more storage underneath the bed. Well, if you guys have any questions, just give me a ring. You can call me at 918-647-2307. Thanks.